One last question. Why did you choose HS Global Consultants? Why choose us?
तो अरे भाई ये सवाल आई थिंक वी बीन डिस्कसिंग दिस क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम लास्ट 5.5 years जब से मैं गया हुआ था वहाँ पर. वाई डिड आई चूज HS ग्लोबल? आपको पता है कि ना आई ऑल्सो केम टू यू बिफोर एंड आफ्टर 4 months अगेन आई केम टू यू एंड यू नो what I was doing during 4 months, I was visiting every single consultancy in Karachi. Like I visit 29-30 consultancy, different consultancy in Karachi, and just to know, like, you know, okay, where can I get the exact amount of advice or correct amount of advice, where to go. And why did I choose HS Global is a very good question. The thing is, like, आपसे बात करके पता चला कि you also Australian citizen, right? You went to Brisbane, the same city I went to, and you want to go to same place, and you did your citizenship over there. So I was like, okay, he's the person who can be a mentor, who can guide me thoroughly, you know, can give me the right process. Because as I said, the basic problem I faced in Karachi was different consultancy के पास right amount of advice नहीं है, but they were like, okay, let's go there. Let's send you the universities which are there on their panels, right? They're not gonna guide you thoroughly with the process. आपने मुझे बताया, just global ने मुझे basically बताया कि it doesn't matter, although visa ratio कम है ऑस्ट्रेलिया का, but it doesn't matter on your grades only. It doesn't matter on your anything one specific character. It doesn't matter in Australia. You should be like, you know, bunch of all the characteristics. You should have your grades, plus you should have your, like, you know, extracurriculars and your personality development. That's all what matters in Australia. तो आपसे बात करके पता चला आपने जिस तरह हेल्प करी SOP के अंदर, आई वाज लाइक ओके, आई थिंक दिस इज़ द राइट प्लेस टू गो HS ग्लोबल. एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, without rejection, I got my visa pretty good on time and all of these things. It was pretty easy going process. There's no hard and fast rule. There's nothing, no problems I faced. So thank you so much for having me today, Anik. As I said, as I mentioned earlier, and I'm enjoying my vacations in Karachi, you know, and I'll be heading back very soon. Thank you for having me today.
Thank you इबाद, आपने हमें काफ़ी टाइम दिया and it was pleasure talking to you. आज आपने देखा हमने इबाद मलिक का इंटरव्यू लिया, and अगर आप लोग भी इबाद मलिक की तरह जाना चाहते हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ऑलवेज कॉन्टेक्ट अस. थैंक यू.